Then here is the RS4R, ABT RS4 or 4. Hold on. RS4R. Can't pronounce it perfect. So, carbon fiber diffuser front bumper, red RS4R, ABT logo, silver ABT logo. Everything blacked out, grill blacked out. I like these little wings right here. Reminds me of the C63 AMG previous generation, the Black Series. Here's a little vent, carbon fiber. The rest is black, little ABT badge. RS3 didn't have them. SP5 either, but this one is carbon fiber mirrors. Lots of carbon fiber in the interior, the wheel, dashboard, everything is carbon fiber. Red stitches on the seats, looks amazing. Carbon fiber right here. Gold ABT wheels and Audi ceramic brakes. The wheels are guarded by these, is it carbon fiber again? By these carbon fiber covers to protect the wheels, and little ABT, well, that thing. Anyway, it looks gorgeous. It's a matte gray finish, all blacked out, including the Audi logo again. Carbon fiber exhaust, carbon fiber diffuser, RS4R, just written here in a different red. Again, matte gun gray roof rack. That actually looks pretty good. Here's a closer look to the interior from this side of the car, and I mean, it looks amazing.